Okay, Colin, I've got your kit ready to ship. So what you sent me was your right and drive brake pedal, your 4-box pedal box, the recommended Willwood master cylinder, which is that one, Will 260-6089, which is the 1.4 inch travel. But actually it's not just about the travel, it's far more robust cylinder, I believe. It's a bit more chunky and the spring seems to have more resistance. So this is what I'm going to send you. So you've got basically fabricated clutch pedal and clutch pedal hinge bracket. In this case you requested right hand drive 4-bolt. There are left hand drive and 3-bolt versions available. You didn't let us know what pedal foot you were after, so I've made some XGS rectangular pedal feet. These are interchangeable, they bolt on and off, so if you're really not happy with that shape we can talk about fitting another version. Then this is actually your pedal box. We've cut the hole for the master cylinder to travel through. We've straightened your brake pedal, fitted again an interchangeable pedal foot on the end, and again you'll get the XGS rubber. We're also going to supply you a longer bolt for this position, because by the time you've packed out an extra 3mm, the existing bolt isn't long enough, together with all these seals. So I was able to get your seal off your pedal box in one hit, but I'm also including a new seal and a roll of seal to go in between the pedal box and the new hinge bracket, because that needs to be sealed as well. Then moving to the actual master cylinder, I'm going to send you this bracket and this weather seal attached, and this clevis which will suit the new pedal. In addition, we're actually going to send you this tool as well, which will help you fit the pedal box, which will come apparent once you start to fit it. There's one particular nut that's very difficult to get at, and if you use a tool like this you can access the nut really easy. Anyway, Colin, that's the pedal kit we're offering you, the pedal box kit.